What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Your girl Mika Lana, Wigs to Wasteland. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and of course share the video with your family, your friends, and your frenemy down the street, boo. So today we are looking at the new unit by Sensational, part of the Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wig Collection, boo. Micro box braid, 28-inch N1B. Let's get into it. All right, ladies, let's go ahead and hop right into this review. Now, I will be going over pretty much everything about this unit. This will be a detailed review. So we're going to cover price point, cap construction, the lace, all that good stuff. So if you do want to take advantage of any of the timestamps, they will be in the description box down below. Feel free to skip, come back, skip again, come back. Just watch the whole review. All right, so Miss Box Braid 28-inch. This is a new unit by Sensational, part of the Cloud9 collection. 100% hand braided lace wig, 100% premium high heat fiber, and they do claim this has virtually undetectable HD lace. And I can tell you, looking at the parting space, the braids on here, baby, she is giving me scalp Asian, okay? Now, this is a 4x4 unit. I don't know how I feel about that, considering that this unit is like 100 plus. I was really hoping for like a 13x6. So, yeah. Now, of course, this does come in a number of colors. What's catching me, like really catching my eye, is they do claim that this also has a hot water set. Now, baby, yeah, girl, yeah. Okay, Miss Micro Box Braid 28-inch. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Let me shut up. And we are going to go ahead and hop into a cap construction, and then we will see what Miss Micro Box Braid 28-inch can do. Looking at the cap, you do have two combs by the parting space, and then you do also have an elastic band that is sewn into the cap. One comb in the back, and yes, there are adjustable straps as well. Now, me personally, I think the unit looks really good straight out of the pack. It's pretty much uniform. The braids do look like they are the same size. And then, of course, the ends are tapered off. And they are not burned or anything, but they're basically, what I guess, hot water set. So it doesn't look like they will come loose. They literally braided this unit from root to tip. Now, this may be a deal breaker for some. This is not a full lace wig. So as you did see, the braids will show in the back. However, this is a thick density unit. I don't think that will be an issue. Straight out of the pack, the hairline looks dang good. They took the liberty of also pre-plucking this unit, and they also gave you some sideburns. I didn't want to bore you with the same old, okay? I think we pretty much have seen, people cut the lace on these units a dozen times. It was pretty simple. So I know she looks a hot mess right now, but I did tint the lace with my Fenty foundation in 440. Here I'm going in with the Contortion Notebook by the Crayon Case, and I do use that for all the parting spaces in my units. I will tell you later why I think I may need to switch to something else. But anywho, so I'm going in with two of the shades out of that notebook to basically add powder to the part. This step for me is crucial because, baby, you do not want to have a skin tone part down the middle and then you dark as midnight on the sides. Not happening, boo. We can't have that. So I did take my time and I applied the powder throughout all of the parts. For this review, I will be showing you two different ways to install this unit. The first will be completely glueless. I applied a little, just a very little, along the sideburns, just to kind of slickety slack them in place. And then you will see me come back and style this unit glued down.
I just wanna love you. 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 Give up on you, but I can't. You know I can't. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. You only call when you want it. Babe, I gotta be honest. You know my body never known better. It's like an upgraded business.
You mess me up and I miss it.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he's never gonna let go. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya.
Tell you, you ladies, let me know if you want me to do a review or a video on the spray I use, because baby, she is not going nowhere. Dollar store fine. But anywho, I know it's going to come up whether or not you can glue this down. So I did glue this down. And baby, you ladies let me know if you want me to do a video on the spray I use. Sis, she is not going anywhere. Do you see her talking anywhere, boo? And guess what? Dollar store fine. Yeah. So anywho, I'm going to go ahead and try to swoopity swoop, you know, these swoops as best as I can. I do have some alcohol. And then I do also have some Got2b gel and of course an edge brush. So if you're anything like me and you know the swoops just don't work, they don't mesh with you, tread very, very lightly. Because I know for me, the more exaggerated the baby hairs look, it just screams wig on me.
Now you're making it so hard. Now you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. On my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. I just wanna love ya. 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 Now you're making it so hard. Now you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard.
I do have several styles that I'll be showing you, makeup free and of course with the glam, so definitely keep on watching. Okay, baby, child, let me tell you, if you are looking for a plop and go, this is not the unit for you, okay? Even me, right now, I am praying to the wig gods that these lights are not telling all my business. Do not want to sit up here and be like, what lace? And you're like, lace there, boo. Right there. So I think this came out really, really good. This is a little bit of a challenge. So if you are looking for a plop and go, baby, If you're a beginner, this is not the unit for you, baby. She is not for the faint of heart. I know some of you want to glue the unit down, some of you don't. Side is glued down. This side I intentionally left kind of unglued per se.
Yes, one of these things is not like the other. Yes, so I did want to show you with the style, with the glam. One side is adhered. This is the side that is completely glueless, baby. She is talking.
I did, you know, just kind of adhere, just glue some of the baby hairs down, but I didn't want it to the point where it's actually like super glued to my forehead. Yes, it's not white. No, it's not the exact style. Shut up. You know where I was going with this.
I did want to pop in this video. Another question is going to come up. What does the back look like? Can you put it up in a bun? Yes, you can, boo. But there's a catch. If you can finesse it, definitely wear a dark colored wig cap. I did notice that, you know, just on the sides, you know, you could kind of see where the wig was at. And for the bottom of this unit, they did not include any lace. Big bummer. So if you are looking to do like, you know, a bun with this unit, you can spruce it up, change it up a bit with the scarf, but doing it by itself, baby, cockaboo.
I am seeing just a few areas that I could have definitely went in and just fixed it, but I am not re-recording. Hello. I really have no complaints. However, this is a very rough texture.
I'm gonna sound like one of them medical commercials. Unit may cause slight irritation. Yeah, so it was pretty itchy on my neck. I did want to show the back of this unit and just show you that once again, these braids are not, it's not a full lace wig. However, it is a thick density unit. They did a great job of keeping that first layer sewn into the cap so they won't be flip-flopping in the wind, sis. I think it's pretty unclockable. However, do keep in mind this is a very long unit.
If you're looking for some pillowy, soft, you know, braids, boo, you might as well put the card down and log out of whatever site you went to. It's gonna mimic braids. I think it came out really cute, y'all. Yeah. Would I buy this again? Me personally, yes, I would. This is definitely ideal for someone who may be going through hair loss. You don't have the luxury of sitting in a chair. You don't have the luxury of spending $200, $300 on a, you know, great quality or a higher quality braided unit. You have, you know, the $120 to spend on something like this that is definitely going to last you. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit, I'll have a direct link in the description box down below. Thank you ladies so much for tuning in. Let's chat it up in the comment section down below. Is it worth it to you? Keep in mind, I did not make this unit. Do not come for me like I'm the manufacturer, okay? Take care of yourself, ladies. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We are on the road to 50K, baby. I am so excited. So thank you, ladies. Keep sharing the videos. Keep talking about me in a good way. And of course, let's chat it up down below. Stay tuned for the YouTube shout outs. And as always, ladies, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Thank you so much. If you have made it this far and you are new to the channel, this is where I verbally take the moment to thank all of you for tuning in. First and foremost, I know some of you are watching me on your work break, and this was a super long video, so I appreciate that you chose to spend your time watching this vid. I definitely appreciate that. I do want to highlight all of you, of course, but I do want to highlight it's Joey here again. She also goes by Peralta Knows Best on Instagram. I know I have a lot of beautiful ladies from Brazil who watch me, and I have a lot of Spanish speaking viewers as well. If you're interested in checking her out,
definitely hit her up. I'll try to remember to put her link in the description box, but she does videos in English and Spanish at the same time. I think that is so freaking dope. I would love to use the limited Spanish I know, but I'm always afraid I'm gonna say like, hey, what's up? Your mama smell like horse knuckles. So I just leave it be. But definitely hit her up. I'll try to remember put her information in the description box down below. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Keep loving on yourself. Love on your family. Love on your kids. Most importantly, keep yourself first. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next one.